Scorpio, what's poppin', Scorps? Song that's playing for you is Big Flood Drip. It's actually coming to an end though. It's done, matter of fact. Oh, alright. I really should have grabbed the water bottle. Scorpio, yeah. Okay, Scorpio, boom, you're looking at something you invested in. It's like you've been working on, it's either you are self-reflecting, like you've been working on something, whether it's like you've been trying to build this mentality, build this habit, now you're looking at it, something, this is as real as it gets, is the song that's playing for you. Whether this is an investment you're looking at, you're like, damn, this is as real as it gets. You feel me? You something you put energy into, okay? This isn't nothing new to you. And now you are passionate about whatever this is. You've been working on something. You may want to communicate. Look, you may want to bring your emotions and or feelings towards something. You feel me? Look, behind that, the lovers. You fell in love with an idea and or person, place, or thing you used to work on. This is you left a job or you've been working at this job and now it's like you got a nice couple days off. Now you looking at the job and you looking at about how you feel and you feel me, how the job make you feel. And you like, you know what? I think I'm gonna stay here. I think this is the job I'm gonna try to grow from. You feel me? That's just the first card though. You're looking at something. You gotta love, whether you love. You may see something that's a bad idea and or it's like you feel like it's like, because then the Knight of Swords, it's like you know the truth about something. Now you may be taking a negative action towards something. It's like you're planting a bad seed instead of planting a good seed regarding whatever it is you're looking at. And or someone is bringing you bullshit. So it's either someone's bringing you bullshit ideas, but it's like someone's lying to you. It's like someone's manipulating you, or you're going to attempt to manipulate whatever this is you've been working on, or whatever this is you've invested in. But you know the truth about how it makes you feel. So whether you are the manipulator or being manipulated, you one of them though. I just heard the word control. Somebody wants to control something. And you may try to decide that you are going to plant it. Look, what I told you. It's like you want to continue to work on something. But you may not be going about the right action on how to do that. Or you don't want to stop working on something, but it's like something's not worth the working on. It's like you're being controlled or manipulated. Or it's like you're being used. Regarding a passion. Look, I'm telling you. You shouldn't be working on something. Look, behind that, Page of Cups in reverse, immature emotion. It's like whether you are the immature one or you're working on something that is using you. Boom. Page of Coins in reverse. Two of Wands in reverse. Look, King of Cups in reverse. Justice in reverse. Like, yo. Yo. All right, Scorpio. Something you passionate about is not what you think it is. You looking at it though. It's like you've been put in a position to withdraw and look at something. All right. Now you may be looking at the fact that something is not true to you. Or you are looking at something and you are going to take false action in order to continue to work on something. It's like you're holding on or clinging to something, even though it's not worth it. You feel me? What song is this? Good Drink, because it's good. You feel me? It's like, why would I stop sipping on this drink? It's a good drink. I'm telling you, you've been in this energy for a while. Why would I change if this has always been working, even though you know it ain't right? You know it ain't right because you looking at it. All these cards in reverse, yo, and you telling me whatever this is right? Come on, bro. Hey, yo. All right, Scorpio. I'll see you next time. I'm gonna fuck with you.